How to operate a mini excavator safely. Unlock essential skills and safety tips for mastering mini excavator operation. Why safety matters. Operating a mini excavator is powerful, but safety must always come first. Introducing your mini excavator. Get familiar with your new best friend on the job site. Know what it can do and can't. Understand the strengths and boundaries of your mini excavator. Main parts and what they do, learn the basics: controls, hydraulics, tracks, and boom. Your pre-operation checklist. Always inspect the machine before you start. Safety begins here. Get comfortable in the seat. Adjust your seat and mirrors. Clear visibility is key. Understanding the levers and pedals. Get a feel for the controls before making any moves. Practice basic maneuvers. Try lifting, digging, and rotating in a safe open space. Scan the area for hazards. Look out for unstable ground, overhead wires, and bystanders. Dress right for the job. Helmet, gloves, steel-toe boots. Never skip PPE. Keep movements smooth and steady. Avoid jerky motions. Control is key for safety and precision. Be ready for emergencies. Know how to stop the machine and respond fast. Attach with purpose. Use the right attachment for the right task. Grapples, augers, more. Tips for precise digging. Line up your bucket and keep your movements sharp and accurate. Prevent tipping and sliding. Distribute weight wisely and avoid overloading. Maintenance makes the difference. Clean, inspect, and service regularly for long-term performance. Practice makes perfect. Take every opportunity to improve your skills and confidence. Stay alert, stay safe. Even seasoned pros must stick to safety protocols every time. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more operator tips. And remember, safety is your strongest tool.